Okay, so I have resolved all the issues regarding it. I have multiple accounts, so it takes me some time to sort it out. I have sorted out, but if you have the one account, then there will be no issue in it. So now I am pushing it to main branch. Okay, so I have pushed it here on main branch. Here it is. Now complete code is pushed. Now let's go to Vercel. And now let's register here using GitHub. Authorize Vercel. I think you have to register it with your phone number just for security concern. So let me do it, and well, then move further.